Lisa likes me. She's spying on me. What an exciting book! I can't stop reading it. This story is so touching, and my friend keeps sticking her nose into it. Go away! Can't you see I'm worried? Uh-oh! She seems like she's on the verge of a nervous breakdown. I know how to make the blue-eyed girl happy. I need my magical balloon. Inflate a balloon. Write "Smile" on it with a permanent marker. And let the air out. Give it to me! You don't know how to blow up a balloon? It worked! Oh, this is so sweet! Turns out this is a support balloon. It's telling me I should smile. Okay, I'll do that. Thanks, girl. My sad book can wait. What a boring class. Up until the blue-eyed girl finished her Coke. I know what you did last summer. What? Is this a message? What does it mean? Turn over a bottle of Coca-Cola. Use a permanent marker to write "I know what you did last summer" at the bottom of the bottle. Turn the bottle back over to hide the message. I wonder who left me this message. What does it mean? I didn't do anything bad, just the usual stuff. Or is it about that one time? But no one knows about it. Haha, the blue-eyed girl seems really bewildered. A gift for you. What's that? Let's see. It's a mysterious device. Attach double-sided tape to a clear plastic folder. Put in glitter and add glycerin. Close the folder. Attach a Troom Troom logo to Fiberboard. Fasten the glitter folder on top and cover it with a foam paper frame. Write a message on top that says "Scan hand." What am I supposed to do? Put my hand on here? I see! This is a spy gift from my friend. Look for the sign in the cafe at 5 o'clock. This looks like a game. So, where's the sign? Show it to me. Surprise! Happy birthday! This is a surprise spy party. Now it makes sense. But wait, there's more. I have a spy gift. A tricky lipstick. Take an empty lipstick tube apart. Glue in a laser pointer. This isn't your grandma's lipstick. You can secretly prank people around you. Make a couple fight? Done! The blue-eyed girl is always eavesdropping on my conversations. How rude! I'll put on headphones so she can't hear anything. Take wireless headphones. Write "Listen" on a paper of a matching shade. cut it out and wrap the paper around the headphone. Put the headphones into the case. Put light clay into a cupcake mold. Place the headphones on top and cover them with a cardboard circle of a fitting size. Put colored light clay into a pastry bag and squeeze that onto the cardboard. Make it look like cupcake icing. Decorate with a butterfly. Oh, a very suspicious cupcake. Let's see. Aha! There are headphones inside with instructions. I can finally hear everything. Stop listening to my conversations! Ah, fine, I'll stop. The Wi-Fi isn't connecting again. I forgot the password. And the router is too high. But I can feel that there's a hint somewhere here. Not here. And not here. Come on, password, where are you? I'll go think about it in the bathroom. Here it is! The toilet paper is obviously trying to tell me something. Write the first few digits of the number pi. Roll the paper out more and write Wi-Fi. Roll the paper back up. I need to solve this puzzle. Let's try. The password is pi, isn't it? Huh, it still doesn't work. Well, I guess I'll use the paper for its intended purpose. What? So that was actually the password? But I already flushed it. What a bummer. Flirting with girls is a lot harder these days. Miss, can I have your number? Please? No? Rude? Hang on, she forgot her umbrella. Is this a sign? Write call on an umbrella with a formula pattern. Highlight the digits of your phone number on the other sections of the umbrella. Let's see! Whoa! This is actually a sign! An encrypted code? She wants me to call her. I just have to solve this code. This is her phone number. Hello? Miss, you forgot your umbrella, but I'll be glad to give it back to you. Spending the whole day with heels on is torture. I need to soak my tired feet. I'll add a special bath bomb. Ooh, this is divine. Right, run baby run on a strip of paper. Wrap the paper in foil. Mix 6 tablespoons of baking soda with 2 spoons of cornstarch and 1 spoon of olive oil. Add makeup pigment and strawberry fragrance oil. Add 5 tablespoons of citric acid. Mix it well and press it down into a mold. Put in the message. Join 2 molds and let it harden. And what's that swimming in my spa? A secret message? Let's see! Run, baby, run! Oh, goodness! There are some weird people at this art exhibition. This guy keeps staring at the blue-eyed girl. Wow, she's my future wife. The guy came up with a highly artistic way of spying, so the girl won't suspect anything. Print out a picture of the Mona Lisa. Cut holes for eyes with a utility knife. Trim the excess. Glue the picture to the back of a fiberboard frame. And copy the eye holes. Put the picture into a frame. Spying on a girl under cover of Mona Lisa? Poor Da Vinci. He could never have predicted this. Is there anybody here? What a weird museum. Come on, Mona, let's follow her. This is too much. I need a disguise, so I'll put on a hoodie that'll change my appearance. Attach a strip of double-sided tape to the hood. Fasten fake bangs to the tape. My stalker won't give up. He's looking for me. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were someone else. You look a lot like my future wife. Oh, my. No, I'm sorry. You're not her. It worked.
Yes.
Bangs are the best disguise. When your son loves video games, the whole family suffers. Son, clean your room. You'll level up in tidiness. Mom! And while the son is distracted, I'll quickly delete all the games from his laptop. I hope this can help me get my son back. You'll be thankful for what your mom did. What happened? Everything's gone. This is a disaster! Mom! Thank goodness I hid my data in a safe place. Take the stick out of a deodorant. Put in a flash drive and put the stick back. My mom won't look for my flash drive in this deodorant for sure. That's a perfect hiding place. It works again. I'm a genius. Did you like our spy life hacks? Then comment below which ones you'll be using. Fake bangs, a deodorant stash, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new spy life hacks from Troom Troom.